let's make butter chicken. I have 3 chicken breasts that I cut into bite-sized pieces. Now I'm adding 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of salt, pepper, cumin, curry powder, turmeric, garam masala, coriander, and chili powder. Mix that in until everything is incorporated. Now in a hot pan on medium heat, add 4 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, and 1 small diced onion. Saute that for a few minutes. Now add the same seasoning to the pan. 1 teaspoon of salt, pepper, cumin, curry powder, turmeric, garam masala, coriander, and chili powder. Saute for a few minutes. Then add 1 small can of tomato paste. Now saute that for a few more minutes and mix it in with the onions. Now add your chicken. Cook the chicken for about 5 minutes. Now add 1 can of diced tomato. Mix that in. Then add 1 cup of water. Stir the water in and then cover and let simmer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the lid and add a half of a cup of heavy cream. Stir that in and you're ready to serve. I served mine with jasmine rice. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my recipe for jerk catfish.